In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. We're starting with a Google form that's already built. In my example, it's a simple customer feedback form with 5 options, but the process is identical no matter what your form looks like. The goal here is to have every response flow straight into a spreadsheet automatically, so you can review, filter, or analyze results without any manual copying. Open your form and look toward the top center of the page for the Responses tab. This is where all the submission activity is managed. Even if you haven't received any responses yet, that's okay. This is exactly where you need to be to set up the connection. Inside the Responses tab, click the green icon labeled Link to Sheets. It looks like a small spreadsheet. This tells Google Forms you want to send responses to a Google Sheet. When the prompt appears, choose Create a new spreadsheet, then click Create. Google will instantly generate a new Sheets file that's linked to your form. That sheet opens right away and is already formatted for you. You'll see a timestamp column as the first header, followed by each of your form questions as column headers. There's no need to format anything. The structure is designed to capture each answer in its own column. If you later edit your form questions, Google will keep things aligned by adding columns as needed, so the sheet stays in sync. Now, go back to your form and click the Preview button, the little eye icon. This opens the live version of your form, exactly as your respondents will see it. Fill it out with some test answers and click Submit. Using realistic, simple sample data is a good way to confirm everything is working before you share the form widely. Quickly switch back to your linked Google Sheet, and you'll see the response appear instantly as a new row. The first column records the submission time automatically, and each answer drops neatly into the right column. There's nothing to refresh or type. New responses will just keep stacking below the last one as they come in. This makes it easy to keep the sheet open during a survey or event and watch results populate in real time. And that's it. Your Google form is now connected to Google Sheets, and your data collection is automated and organized from the start. Keep the sheet as your single source of truth, and you'll be ready to sort, filter, or build charts whenever you're ready to analyze your responses.